Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, running boards, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, intermittent wipers. Inside you'll find backup camera, leather upholstery, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, OnStar communication system, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, beverage holders. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.